Ho, 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 and happy holidays, fellow Realtors. Hope you had a great weekend. So here's what's going on the last week of CE classes via Zoom from our school. So today, Monday, we have a great set of classes starting at 1 o'clock. This is the 3-in-1 YouTube, ChatGPT, and virtual showings. And of course, not only do you learn a gob of information, but actually get CE credit to boot. Later on this week, we have great classes in different ADRE CE categories for compliant social media. We have cybercrime, and we also have monsoon and virtual showings. Take a look down below to see all of the dates and times. I want to remind you that if you want to continue to be a Realtor member in 2025, you need your code of ethics by the end of the year, which means in just a couple of weeks. Remind you that if you want to stay an ADRE licensee, you need your 3-in-1 Firewise, water, and deed fraud by the end of 2025. We have both of those and many other classes on demand. This means these are pre-recorded courses that you can pause us, you can stop us, you can pick us up at a later time and date. You do not need to finish all in one setting. And we have discount codes for all of this to boot. Take a look down below to go ahead and see this one. I also want to remind you that this Thursday, we have a free lunch and learn. I know they say there's no such thing as a free lunch, but there really is, and it happens to be at Fleming's. Go ahead and eat your free steak and learn about planning in 2025. Take a look down below. Make sure you RSVP as soon as possible, as there is limited spacing. I also want to remind you that we have computers galore. We do set these up like we've been doing for the last 17 years. We're going to bring over all of your information from your old computers. We're going to do personal training. We're going to set up transaction desk and the paperless office, syncing all of your devices together. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, because our only goal is to help you kick butt for real estate 2025. Once again, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much. And once again, happy holidays, everybody. Check you out.